Akarsha, you have so many friends here, right? You have to say their names, okay? Okay? Okay. Likita, Lasavi, Krinshi, Dhriti, Amanya, Kartika, Anika, Riya, Nitya, Vishu, Venisha, Adi, Chegu, Ruhan, Abi, Chegu, Pragyan, Ayansh. Very good, Akarsha. Very good. Thank you.